Hey guys, my name's Alicia from Rose Arie Beauty, and today I'm partnering with Online Label Startup Academy to give you 6 steps on how you can start your own skincare business straight from home. Okay, so the first step is find your purpose. Out of all the businesses to choose from, what made you pick skincare? Your story is what makes you different from other sellers. And once you found your purpose, you can use this to fuel the rest of your business and actually help you build your brand. So the second step is research. Research is a key component to any successful business. The more you learn, the easier your journey will be. For skincare, I suggest starting your research by finding some beginner-friendly videos that show you what it's like to actually make skincare products, so you have an idea of what it takes to formulate them. And this can also help you decide what ingredients you want to work with. Formulating your products is directly correlated with the quality of the product. So you want to make sure that you're comfortable with measuring, blending, and understanding how your ingredients work together. You also want to research your state's regulations. So every state and even the counties within your state have different rules when it comes to handmade cosmetics. So you want to make sure that you are aware of these laws and that you are following them. Okay, so now we are moving on to the third step, which is creating a budget. Now that you've done your research on what ingredients you're interested in working with, it's time to buy your materials and start creating. The initial investment for any business can be expensive if you don't strategically plan out where you need to put your money and what you need to buy. So I'm going to give you 4 categories that you should be thinking about to help you create a solid budget. So the first is your ingredients. This is your butters like shea butter, cocoa butter, your oils, coconut oil, fragrances, and anything else that you are putting into your product. The second is your materials, and these are the materials that are going to help you blend, mold, shape your products. It's going to take your plain ingredients and turn it into a well-crafted skincare product. This is a hand mixer, your jars, measuring cups, bowls, and even your labels. Now, there are lots of online resources where you can go to create your labels and have them shipped to you, but I didn't really want to do it that way. I thought it would be a lot easier if I just did it straight from home. So I bought some sticker paper from Online Labels to print them on. Now I know that onlinelabels.com also has an editing software that can help you design your photos. And then anytime I create a product and I need to have my label, I already have them in here and I just have to cut them out and stick them on. So the next thing I'm going to be talking about is your shipping supplies. These are materials that are going to get your product to your customers. This includes boxes, mailer bags, bubble wrap, packing tape, anything, even sticker paper to help you create your shipping labels. And now lastly, you want to budget for the materials that are going to help you tie your business all together, like business cards, pamphlets, materials to create samples, anything that is going to help you wrap up everything you need and be ready to give to your customers. Okay, so on to the fourth step, you want to take product photos. Eye-catching photographs are what attract potential customers. You don't need expensive equipment to take high-quality images. You just need good lighting, a clean background, and you can always add some creativity by using props. I honestly just buy some artificial flowers and some confetti paper from the dollar store and use that as props when I take my photographs. So the fifth step is creating a website. So word of mouth is great, but you want a place where you can send people to see all that your business has to offer. I can tell you in person that I have a body butter that makes you glow and shimmer when you're outside, but sometimes that's not enough and people want proof. And that's when you introduce them to your website where they can see other people are purchasing your items and saying that it actually does make your body shimmer or your body glow. This is where you show them customer photos or photos of you using it. This is what's going to help them feel more comfortable and actually supporting your business. Now, there are multiple websites to choose from. You just have to find one that helps best represent your business. Okay, and we are moving on to the last step, which is marketing. How you promote your business is almost as important as the actual products itself. You can have the best, most helpful product in the world, but if you are not constantly promoting, you're limiting the potential success of your business. No one can support a business they don't know about, which is why you have to work hard to make sure that your business receives the recognition it deserves. Nowadays, social media is an amazing marketing tool because it's free and you can reach an extremely large audience from all over the world right from your cell phone. So make sure that you are always marketing your business. You can also promote yourself by creating flyers, handing out your business cards, collaborating with other companies, and even just walking around and telling people about your business. Starting a skincare business can be overwhelming at first, but it gets so much easier down the road. You just have to be patient and believe in your business. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. You can find me on Instagram and YouTube at Rose Arie Beauty, and make sure that you check out onlinelabels.com for more Startup Academy videos.